Okay, bro, why do you have me in this closet right now? Dude, we're gonna play Uncle Samsonite's game. Wow, who is that? He's an ancient demon
that feeds on children's souls.
and we're gonna bring him here.
A water balloon?
What do you want from me?
I just want to welcome you to the domain of Uncle Samsonite.